Hi, we're the next generation of OneMonroe.
Hi, I'm Anna, and today we are the bosses.
Hi, I'm Paisley, and we've got some big ideas.
Hi, I'm William, and we want longer snack breaks.
Hi, my name is Evelyn, and there's no more emails, just emojis.
Okay, every day I'm gonna bring my dog to work because I love my dog, and his name is Pickles.
Oh my god.
Hope you're
ready for us.
Hope you're ready for us.
Okay,
Oh my
what
god.
do you want to be when you grow up?
A marine biologist?
A marine biologist.
Professional baseball player.
A celebrity.
Police officer, I got a penny.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a nail tech.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a therapist.
And what do you want to be?
I want to be a marine biologist.
And you?
I want to be a veterinarian or an accountant.
And what are you going to be?
An NFL player.
All right.